The Kite and the String. How was school today? Grandpa asked. Alex sighed. I don't like school. I want to be free and do what I want. Grandpa smiled. That reminds me of a story. Alex listened. Once, there was a kite, Grandpa said. The kite loved to fly high in the sky. But it did not like the string. The string is holding me back, the kite said. I want to fly higher. One day, the wind blew very hard. The string broke. The kite flew up quickly. I'm free, it shouted. But soon, the kite could not control itself. The wind pushed it around. The kite fell to the ground and broke. Grandpa looked at Alex. The string was not the problem, he said. The string helped the kite fly. Alex nodded. School is like the string, he said. It helps me grow and learn. Grandpa smiled. That's right.